Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about the iPhone 11 on the iOS 14. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into this video, shall we? So the iOS 14.4 didn't actually brought some new features to the table, but there are some new stability improvements and some battery improvements which I'm going to talk about in this video. So let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. First thing is the performance improvement. The performance improvement is there, but it is just not that noticeable, but there is some performance improvement. If you will put both of these devices side by side, you will notice it, but in normal usage I don't think so you guys will be able to notice the performance improvement, but it is still, the performance improvement is still there. I have noticed it in my experience. So next thing is the battery life. The battery life, what extra battery life are you getting in this firmware? The extra battery life you are getting in this firmware is around 35 minutes. In my experience, I got around 40 to 45 minutes, but it may vary in your usage because I don't really do gaming and all. So if you do gaming, it will be less or more. I mean, it just depends on your usage, but the battery life is improved on this firmware. Now talking about the stability, this update is much more stable than iOS 1.3, and you will notice the stability because earlier on iOS 1.3 I saw your DMs. Yes, I saw your DMs on Twitter. You all were reporting to me that I'm getting resprings, I'm getting just reloads, and iOS 1.3 in general was not a good update and all, and many people were tweeting about this, and there were a lot of resprings to people that was happening, and a lot of freeze. The device was freezing. I don't know, but you guys were sending me DMs about this. So that issues is most probably fixed in this update because I have not got any freezing or respinning issue, but many of you guys got that issue. So I'm really surprised how you guys are getting those issues, right? So if you are still experiencing those issues, let me know down in comments below or on my Twitter handle @TechHype. You can DM me there. Now let's talk about my scores. So if you are new to the channel, I always give scores to every update, and you can check the iOS 1.3 scores on the iOS 1.3 video. Link is up in the iCard. Then compare it to this if you are interested in doing that. Now let's give the scores. In terms of performance, I would give it a solid 9.7 out of 10. 9.7 out of 10 because the performance improvement are there, and it is a big deal. I mean, trust me when I say performance improvements are there, you won't notice it that much, but still I'm giving 9.7 out of 10 because there are some performance improvement at the end of the day, and it is really surprising because on iPhone 12 there are no performance improvement, nearly no performance improvement, and it is so good thing that on iPhone 11 there are some performance improvement. That's the major reason I'm giving this update in terms of performance a 9.7 out of 10. Talking about the battery scores, the battery score, I will give this update around 9.1 out of 10 because the battery improvements are really there. Trust me, the battery improvements are exponential. This is exponentially good than iOS 1.3. And I don't know about you guys, but many of you guys were getting really poor battery life on iPhone 11 on iOS 1.3, whereas I was getting more battery life than you guys because you guys were sending me DMs about that. And I don't know, it obviously it depends on your usage because everyone have a different kind of usage. Everyone put their device in different temperature. That can be a reason also because if you put your device in really cold place or really hot place, if your device is not in room temperature, because my device is 24/7 in room temperature, so my device is performing normal, and it was 6.5 hours usage earlier, and now it is improved to almost 7 hours of usage. So you are getting an extra 20-30 minutes of usage from your iPhone 11 after installing this update. So that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful for you all, consider dropping a like and subscribe to this channel because I do these type of things almost daily, and I don't want you guys to miss that. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.